आज आम्ही प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स घेता एक कार्डियक आमचो हेल्थ कॅम्प 7 तारखेक गोंयकार घरान अनावन्स करपा खातीर आमी हे प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स घेतलो. So the pandemic has taught us the importance of cardiac health because the virus infects the lungs and the heart directly. So monitoring your cardiac health is very important. आनीक अशें दिसता की having a central means having a healthy heart is central to good health, and you are actually never too old or never too young to have a healthy heart. कोणी म्हणटात अरे इतले तेंप जालो आमी काडले दीस आतां आमी कित्याक तें अशें केन्नाच नसता तें. यू कॅन ऑलवेज इम्प्रूव. आनीक आमी पॅन्डेमिकाच्या टायमान पळयलां की कोमॉर्बिड जे केस आशिल्ले हे चडांत चड लोक भायर पडले. बिकॉज गोंयांत आमची जी लायफस्टायल आहा सुशेगाद आमी आसात तातूंत खूब जाणांक प्रिवेंटीव हार्ट कितें चॅकअप जो आसता हाजो कन्सेप्ट अजून तकलेन जातो वचूंक ना. तो गरज आहा की हो कन्सेप्ट सरकारानूय आपणावपाक जाय. म्हणून गेले त्या एसेंब्ली सेशनान हांवें एक प्रायवेट हांवें एक कॉलिंग एटेंशन मोशनूय घाल्लें की आमचे DDSY हे प्रिवेंटीव हार्ट चॅकअप कंपल्सरी करचो म्हणून. सरकाराचें त्या म्हणसर कांय उत्तर नाशिल्लें. आमकां दिसलें की म्हजो मित्र आनीक आमचो फातर्डेकार डॉक्टर मिलिंद देसाय जेणें आमकां खूब मदत केली ह्या महामारीच्या टायमार. जो आतां आपले हॉस्पिटल इम्पेरियल हॉस्पिटल म्हणून फातोर्ड्यानूच सुरवात करपाचो आहा. ताणें आमच्या गांवा खातीर म्हळ्यार फातोर्ड्या खातीर आनी फातोर्डेकारां खातीर एक CSR म्हणून एक प्रिवेंटीव हार्ट चॅकअप कॅम्प पयलीं घडोवन हाडचो म्हणून. ताणें आमची रिक्वेस्ट एक्सेप्ट करून आतां 7 तारखेक हो कॅम्प आमी ऑर्गनायज करतले. पूण पयले सुवातेर हांव दोतोराक देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. कित्याक आज दोतोरकी म्हणटा तें एक नोबल प्रोफेशन. हें परते परते आमच्या समाजान याद करपाची गरज आहा. खूब जाणांक अशें दिसता की हार्ट आनी चॅक करपाक वचप आनी तें बील पळोवप म्हणल्यारूच हार्ट एटॅक येवप. सो ताजे परस सर्वसामान्य मनशाक जो जाका गरज आहा ताका आदार करपा खातीर जे दोतोरान आमचे जोड पावलान हो जो स्टेप मारला ताजे खातीर हांव ताका देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. आनी मागता फातोर्डेकारांक चड करून जांकां हें गरजेचें आहा, जांकां हो हार्टाचो इश्यू आसूंक येवंक शकता, अशें सगळ्यांनी ह्या हेड चॅकअपाचो हार्ट चॅकअपाचो कॅम्पाचो यूज करचो आनीक बरो प्रतिसाद ताका दिवचो म्हणून. आतां हांव दोतोरा कडेन दिता तो हाजेर इन डिटेल उलयतलो.
Hello, am I clear? So पयली सुवातेचेर हांव विजय सराचे आभार मानता की तांणी सदांच म्हाका तशें न्ही की आमच्या क्लिनिकान सेंटराक बरो तेंको दिला. आनी वी एज अ CSR कॉर्पोरेट सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आतां कॉर्पोरेट डॉक्टर प्रोफेशन हें कॉर्पोरेट न्ही पूण ताका मातसो कॉर्पोरेट टच दिवचो पडटा. कित्याक जर मल्टी स्पेशालिटी सुपर स्पेशालिटी हें करचें पडटा करपाक जाय जाल्यार ताका एक कॉर्पोरेट लूक जाता. ताणें मॅनेजमेंट बरी जाता आनी एज अ सुपर स्पेशालिटी यू नीड दॅट. सो आय एम मोर दॅन हॅपी टू कॉल इट अ CSR. एंड म्हाका अशें दिसता की आमी आतां म्हाका आतां 40-41 वर्सां खूब समाजांतल्यान घेतलें. स्कुलान वता तेन्ना कॉलेजीन वता तेन्ना कांय दिवना, कांयच दिवना. सो पूण एक प्रत्येक ल्हान आसतना यंग आसतना टिनेजर जावं शिकतना नाजाल्यार नवो जॉब मेळटा तेन्ना तुका दिवपाचें तें हें आसना बिकॉज तुजी फॅमिली आसता हें तें. पण एट अ सर्टन स्टेज देवाचे कृपेन एक अशी स्टेज येता की यू आर हॅप्पी, यू आर कंटेंटेड आनी तुका एक दिसता की बाबा समाजाक कितें तरी आपूण दिवचें. आनी होच कॉन्सेप्ट घेवन विजय सरन आनी आमी एक 6 म्हयने जाले. कोवीड तेन्ना सारकें एट द पीक आशिल्लें आनी आमी कोवीड हॉस्पिटल स्टार्ट करपाचो आमी एक प्रयत्न केल्लो लोकां खातीर. पण देर वॉज सम इश्यूज विथ एडमिनिस्ट्रेटीव इश्यूज. पण आमी गिव अप करूं ना. वॉट वी डीड, आमी एम्ब्युलन्स इनॉग्रेट केली. वी फॉर फातोर्डा एनजीओन इनॉग्रेट करून आमी जायते लोकांक, फातोर्डेकारांकच न्ही, फातोर्डा एंड एडजॉयनिंग एरियाज आमी फ्री टेलिफोनीक कंसल्टेशन इन आवर क्लिनीक, फ्री मेडिसिन्स, पल्स ऑक्सिमिटर्स एंड ऑक्सिजन कॉन्सन्ट्रेटर्स वी हॅव गिवन. आनी कितलेशेच लोकांनी आमकां दे हॅव थँक्ड अस फ्रॉम देअर हार्ट आनी आमकां खूब बरें दिसलें. सो आतां विजय सरान म्हणलें तशें comorbidities. Now, COVID is still a problem, but it's not the only problem. We have to understand. End of the day, COVID will fade away. But heart, diabetes, kidney problems, oncology, cancer, hematology, हे problem वचचे ना. आणि गोवा एक अशें राज्य आसा की we are proud that we are above national average in terms of quality of life, education. So we need more super speciality doctors. So म्हणून आमी त्या उद्देशान इंपिरियल हॉस्पिटल, नांवूय हांवें तशें दिलां की इंपिरियल कॉलेज लंडन इज वन ऑफ द ओल्डस्ट इन्स्टिट्यूट आनी तातूंत इतलो रिसर्च चलता आनी इट इज वन ऑफ द टॉप मोस्ट इन द वर्ल्ड. सो एक सदांच आमी इवन भुरग्यांक जेन्ना आमी नांव बरें दितात कोणी तरी ताच्या पांयगुणान कितें बरें जावचें तशें म्हणून आमी हॉस्पिटलाक नांव दिलां. आनी वी are committed to make it a real super specialty hospital with, I'm quite keen to announce today ki oncology, medical oncology, South Goan medical oncologist also na. So आमी बॉम्बेच्यान medical oncologist हाडटले, hematologist, blood specialty आणि rheumatology हे जे super specialty असतात ते आमी हाडटले. आनी ऑब्वियसली इंटेन्सिव्ह केअर, कार्डियाक, किडनी ते आसतलेच आमच्या हॉस्पिटलान. आतां आमी कॅम्पा बद्दल उलोवया. फाल्यां न्ही परं 7 तारखेक सकाळीं 9 ते 2 आमी हो कार्डियाक कॅम्प ऑर्गनायज करतात विथ द हेल्प ऑफ वी फॉर फातोर्डा एनजीओ एंड द इंपिरियल हॉस्पिटल. एंड आय एम क्वायट हॅपी to say that and to acknowledge that Vijay sir has always been cooperative to us and always in a non-political manner when it comes to me and patients. Right sir? आणि आता आमी कितें केला प्लॅन. सो comorbidities, हार्ट अटॅक जेन्ना येता तेन्ना ते ECGचेर रोखडेंच कळटा आनी तो ट्रीट करपूय बी आमकां खबर आसा. एंजिओप्लास्टी करप आनी एंजिओग्राफी करप नाजाल्यार बायपास. पूण आतां तुमी भायर वचशात युरोप नाजाल्यार अमेरिकेन जाल्यार प्रिव्हेंटीव हाजेर चड हें चल्लां. आतां आमी वॅक्सीन कित्याक दितात कोविडाचें की वी डोंट वॉन्ट कोवीड. वी वील ऑलवेज ट्रीट वेन वी हॅव कोवीड. पूण आमकां कोवीड नाका, तशेंच आमकां हार्टाचें दुयेंसूच नाका. दोन हें आसा ताका कारणां. एक विजय सरान सांगलें तशें बील बिकम्स टू मच आनी कोणाकूय तें परवडना. अप्पर मिडल क्लास फॅमिलीकूय तें परवडना अनलेस यू हॅव इन्शुरन्स. सो ताका लागून कितें करपाचें, प्रिव्हेन्शन. आनी प्रिव्हेन्शन जर केलें जाल्यार दुयेंस तें जावच्या पयलींच ताका आमी प्रायमरी प्रिव्हेन्शन म्हणटात. दुयेंस जाता तेन्ना ताका ट्रिटमेंट म्हणटात. प्रायमरी प्रिव्हेन्शन म्हळ्यार कितें, जाका जो स्मोकिंग करता म्हण नाजाल्यार वेट चड आसा, डायबिटीज आसा, प्रेशर आसा, फॅमिली हिस्ट्री आसा, ताका थोडे म्हणटा की बेश्टेच कित्याक भिवपा जाय. तशें न्ही तें. यू हॅव टू चेंज आवर व्यू पॉयंट. सो दुयेंस जावचे पयलीं डायग्नोज करप, रिस्क स्ट्रेटिफिकेशन. कोण हाय रिस्क आसा कोण लो रिस्क आसा. लो रिस्क आसा तांकां रिअश्योर करप की बाबा तूं बरो आसा, कंटिन्यू द वे यू आर डुईंग. आनी जो हाय रिस्क आसा ताका कन्विन्स करप, भिवप ना. जाल्यार लोक म्हणटा की तुजो भिवयता परत परत टेस्ट करपाक लायता. नो, कन्विन्स करतात आमी. वी शो विडियोज एंड ऑल की गेट युअर इको डन, गेट युअर एंजियोग्राफी डन, गेट युअर स्ट्रेस टेस्ट डन. सो आमचो आतां कॉन्सेप्ट 7 तारखेक तो आसतलो. आमी जितले पेशंट येतले 7-8 डॉक्टर आसतले, हांव आसतलो आनी इंटरनॅशनल कार्डियोलॉजिस्ट, one from North Goa, one from South Goa, big names will be there. It won't be just a basic camp, there will be super specialist doctors just coming to help us without any wish to have something in back. They are also doing their CSR bit. आणि आमी सगळे पेशंटाचे ऑब्वियसली बीपी क्लिनिकल एक्झामिनेशन हांव करतलो, बाकीचे डॉक्टर्स करतले आनी सगळ्या पेशंटाचे आमी ECG काडटले. इट विल बी अ प्रॉपर डिजिटल ECG वेरीन पेशंटाक फायल आनी तो ECG घेवन वचपाचें. आनी ECGचेर जर कितें फॉल्ट मेळटा नाजाल्यार पेशंट म्हणटा की आपल्याक चेस्ट पेन जाता, खरज मारता, डायबिटीज आसा, केन्नाच काय टेस्ट केलो ना, जाल्यार आमी स्ट्रेस टेस्ट नाजाल्यार 2D इको आणि स्ट्रेन इको अपॉइंटमेंट दिवन फ्रॉम मंडे ओनली विल स्टार्ट. सो प्रत्येक दिसाक एक 20 आमी इकोज आणि स्ट्रेस टेस्ट करतले आमच्या क्लिनिकान, जांकां गरज आसा तांकां. आनी त्याच दिसा सांगतले, आय विल बी कम, माय स्टाफ विल बी विथ अ कंप्युटर की अमके दिसा अमके टायमार स्ट्रेस टेस्ट नाजाल्यार इको आसतलो. एंड वील मेक शुअर. नाव आय प्रॉमिस, but I will put my 100% efforts, even though I have one clinic in Savarde, one here, but आमचो एक डेटाबेस आसतलो आनी आमी प्रत्येक पेशंटाक फाल्स प्रॉमिस दिवचे ना. आमी ऑर्गनायज करतले स्ट्रेस टेस्ट इको ऑर स्ट्रेन इको, 2D इको, स्ट्रेस इको, वॉट एवर इज नीडेड. एंड वी विल ऑल्सो रेकमेंड एंजियोग्राफी एंड एंजियोप्लास्टी टू हॉस्पिटल. मागीर तांकां गायड करतले आमी, कॅम्प करून अर्दे वाटेर सोडचे ना. वी विल मेक शुअर. So this is the plan. And in future this won't be the only one show of camp. Follow up गरजेचो. So आम्ही एक थोडे महिन्यांनी परत एक करूया, say for the same people or for their relatives or whoever. So it will be a I'm so thankful when I approached Vijay sir. He said, sir, खंय करपाचो camp? हांगा करूया. So it is so convenient for us because we need a nice, decent, comfortable space to do the camp, because it 6-7 वरां ECG काडप, हें करप, it is not a joke. So I thank Vijay sir to allow us to use Goenka. And in future also, with your permission, we can organize more camps. We can even make a, with your permission, I'll announce that we could do a cancer screening camp in future, which is a need of the hour. Thank you very much.
You do your eco test here itself for the camp or at your clinic?
I would love to do the eco test here. I've got 2 beautiful Vivid T8 eco machines which are best in the world. पण कितें आसा, इको मशीन आमच्या देशांत PNDT एक्टा लागून पोर्ट करपाक मेळना. यू कॅनॉट मूव द इको मशीन, इट इज इलिगल. नाजाल्यार इको मशीन हाडपाक काय न्ही, गाडयेन घालून हाडपाक मेळटा, इको करपाक मेळटा, 10 minutes for 1 echo, but it is not allowed. So that is why we will be doing ecos in my clinic, which is about 1 kilometer from here.
Hospital started.
ना करपाया.
Within few weeks we are planning to start.
Where is the hospital coming?
वर्धा.
But every time we speak of hospitals, private hospitals, the bills असतात पळय, as you said, that's heart attack. Oxygen ICU उरले जाल्यार 80-90 lakhs of rupees bill जाता.
Yeah.
So what is the way out for them?
Yes. Now I have got a good plan because I went 10 वर्सां UK. I was in England for 10 years. GMCन पास आउट जावन MD करून हांव इंग्लंडाक गेलो आनी इंग्लंडान NHS आसा, नॅशनल हेल्थ सर्विसीस, oldest healthcare system in the world in England. So I've learned some management strategies, communication strategies. So England been कितें आसा, communication very important. नाजाल्यार litigation जाता, केस पडटा आनी तांची कितें bills जाल्यार you are sued for 5 crores, 10 crores. Those are the, so यू आर कवर्ड बाय इंडेमनिटी एज अ डॉक्टर, पूण आमी प्रिकॉशन घेताले कफुजां कशें प्रिवेंट करपाचें. झगडी पेशंट आनी डॉक्टराचें तें रिलेशनशीप, इट्स अ डेलिकेट रिलेशनशीप पेशंट एंड डॉक्टर. हाव टू money should not money we want money also, without money we can't run. So plan कितें आसा, आयसीयून बिलां कित्याक येतात, आयसीयूचे जे स्टाफिंग आसता ते इतले आसता आनी इक्विपमेंट इतले आसता, बिल इज हाय इन आयसीयू. पूण हाव टू सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लम, एवरी 24 hours there has to be a communication officer. ताका एम्प्लॉय करप एचआरान. तुजें काम कितें, रेपो बिटवीन डॉक्टर एंड द रिलेटिव, आनी ताका कांयच काम आसना. सो प्रत्येक पेशंट आसता ताजे जे रिलेटिव आसा तांकां 24 वरांनी सांगपाचें, बाबा पळय बील अमकें अमकें आयलां आयच्या दिसा, कितें करता, कॅन यू अफोर्ड, डू यू वॉन्ट टू शिफ्ट आउट समवेअर एल्स, वॉट कॅन वी डू फ्रॉम आवर सायड, what is your insurance, can we help in getting that expedited or pre-approved. Procedure कशें आसा, procedure एक फावटी प्री ऑथ मेळटा, इन्शुरन्स प्री ऑथरायझेशन फॉर 10 lakhs दिता, सो यू आर assured for 10 lakhs. तसले गजाली करपाक एक ऑफिसर आमी, माय क्लोज फ्रेंड मिस्टर बिपिन खेडेकर, he is my manager for the hospital, and I have given him that role ki every day you have to talk to the relatives. So even if there is some problem with the bill, it won't be in lakhs, because per day you won't cross that much amount, and I'm ready to kind of, will give some discount or whatever we can and guide the patient. कितें जाता problem, जेन्ना कम्युनिकेशन जायना न्ही तेन्ना ते 5 दिसांचे बिल 2-3 लाख येता. सदांच ते बिल इनअप्रोप्रिएट आसना, एप्रोप्रिएट बिलिंग, पूण कम्युनिकेशन ना. पेशंटाची हें कितें आसा, सोशियो इकॉनॉमिक कंडिशन कितें आसा, ताजें इन्शुरन्स आसता तें एक्सपायर जाला काय ना, ते सगळें good communication is the key. I'm not saying in a private sector you can't give free service, you have to charge, but number one, you can minimize the charge without going into loss for a hospital. That I've learned. Plus good communication, every 24 hours bill दिवपाचें आनी सांगपाचें की this is the bill and the expected bill for next 24 hours is this, so people are prepared. आनी मागीर हें जायना, you won't get heart attack because of the bill if you follow that steps.
But in many cases, particularly in private hospitals, daily the medicines are, patients' relatives are told to purchase medicines, or they are in-house purchase, and the bill is given to the patient. If the patient dies, suppose, there are many cases such that medicines worth lakh, 2 lakh are just returned. So what is done with these medicines when they are purchased all the day? That is a big question in front of many people.
Yeah, in that case, that is again, we will be buying only for 24 hours, and there will be a person, so प्रत्येक वेळा आमी पेशंटाक दाखोवचें पडटा की बाबा पळय इतली तुमी 5 इंजेक्शनां हाडल्या, पेशंटाक 3 दिल्या, 2 उरल्या, यू कॅन रिटर्न इट. दॅट इज वॉट आय एम सेइंग. अगेन एक्सप्लेन करप. आतां आमच्या क्लिनिकान, इट्स अ प्रायवेट क्लिनिक, या माय फीज, let me accept my fees are relatively high than many other doctors, but I've never had a problem because आम्ही पयलींच सांगतात पेशंटाक की echo, like strain echo, I charge, the fees are little more than the normal echo, but we explain ki this is a different technology, it will give you a lot of advantage, and the communication सारखी जाल्या न्ही, patients, trust me, patients don't mind paying for their health as long as they are convinced. See, when the result is good, nobody looks, the problem केन्ना जाता गोंयांत पळयलां हांवें, पेशंट बरो जाता तेन्ना कोण कांयच म्हणना, एवरीथिंग इज फायन, बट मेडिसिन इज ऑल्सो हॅज गॉट लिमिटेशन्स. Sometimes patient dies, you have done the same treatment but patient dies because of comorbidities. तेन्ना सगळ्यांक दिसता, इट्स अ सायकोलॉजी की आपल्याक फटयलें, हॉस्पिटल बरें न्ही, दोतोर बरो न्ही. दॅट हॅपन्स, इट्स अ टेम्पररी गेट. ताका तें कशें अवॉयड करप, सिट विथ द रिलेटिव्स, नॉट जस्ट लायक वाटेर उबे रावन एक्सप्लेन करप ना. आमी एक रूम करतले, रूम, स्पेशल रूम, ताका नांव आसतलें रिलेटिव्स रूम. थंय डॉक्टर बसतलो, कम्युनिकेशन ऑफिसर, पेशंट, रिलेटिव्स, विथ AC, कम्फर्टेबल, आनी बाबा सांग, वॉट इज द प्रॉब्लम, will solve it on the table. And with that good, in fact, when in UK exams there was 30% marks for big exams were given on communication. Forget about your skills of medicine, how you talk. एक स्पेशल केस आसताली एंग्री पेशंट झगडपा आयला डॉक्टरा कडेन ताका हँडल कसो करतलो तें तूं प्रूव कर तें तुवें प्रूव करना यू फेल दॅट MRCP एग्जाम सो तशें ट्रेनिंग हांवें घेतलां आनी आय एम कीन टू डू दॅट इन प्रॅक्टिकल
कितले बेडेड हॉस्पिटल आसता
So, आम्ही कितें केलां? We had two options to increase the number of beds or to increase the number of super specialty services. So, after our people who are at stake, what I thought, let's not have number of beds. We will have only 30 beds, but those beds will be how a very high standard ICU. High standard ICU म्हळ्यार कितें? Patient पावचे कडेन तुम्ही हांगा व्हरा दुसऱ्या हॉस्पिटलान व्हरा बॉम्बे व्हरा अशें नाका एवरीथींग वील बी देर प्लस आतां आमी कॅन्सर स्पेशालिटी करतात मेडिकल ऑन्कॉलॉजी दॅट नीड्स मोर स्पेस बिकॉज आय बी कॉलिंग अ डॉक्टर ऑल द वे फ्रॉम बॉम्बे सो जितली स्पेशालिटी चड कळ डायलिसीस 2-3 मशिनां घालपाक जितलो जागो लागता त्या जाग्या भितर 10 बेड्स येवपाक शकतात सो आमी कितें केलां आमी बेड्स मातशे कमी केल्या only 30 beds we have done but those beds are mostly private beds there are general wards also so there are private 30 beds and there are 2 general wards but I am more keen on giving the services which are not there it's a super specialty hospital rather than having a generalistic hospital malaria ward आणि कितें जोर आयलो मागीर कितें जाता mix up जाता you can't do both so number of beds are relatively small but the services will be much more than and some things like I think correct me if I'm wrong medical oncology South Goa na permanent doctor North Goa sa so I'm trying to keen to get that cancer in
I think Dr. Sujay Das is doing oncology.
he's a surgeon
Surgeon, but I think cancer patients.
yes I'm not saying people are not doing but as far as what my knowledge goes so see I might be doing errors because as a doctor I do my job I go home I don't know what is happening with others but as far as what I am aware of medical cancer there in medicine दोन हे असतात surgery आणि physician and surgeon okay so bypass surgery is a surgeon job and angioplasty is a cardiologist job तशें कॅन्सरान एक ऑन्कोसर्जन म्हूण आसता ऑन्कोसर्जन they are surgeons they can also do cancer treatment but there is a specialty called medical oncology wherein a physician after MD does oncology radiotherapy chemotherapy तसले permanent I'm not sure but even as well I don't but there is definitely a need to the best of my knowledge there is no medical oncologist in South Goa I should not be misquoted South Goa in the district of South Goa there may be but even if there is which I'm not aware it's always better to have a few more because cancer is really it's ravaging our country and there are not enough people and we'll have 24-hour casualty 24-hour casualty will be there emergency
Regarding cancer, one question is that they are mostly discussed on social media platforms. Is there any such drug which boosts the cancer cells?
boost means prevents cancer
No.
Increases.
Increases.
risk of cancer obviously yes there are some not medicines as such there are drugs means what do you mean by drugs
I'm not saying medicine, curable medicine, but which in a negative way can boost the cancer cells. In your
yes
खातीर कॅन्सर जाता
no answer definitely so cancerचे main reason is a constant irritation of the cells okay constant irritation so if you're taking something like to give you an example tobacco is a drug, isn't it? Tobacco has got nicotine, and nicotine lagun people have tobacco. But nicotine is benign. Nicotine lagun problem is tobacco भितर जायती वखदां असतात. You cannot call it vakta because it's a drug, but it's a chemical. And the constant the cells are the chemical lagun you get cancer of either mouth if you chew gutka, or if you're smoking again the smoke. End of the day it's a chemical or a drug in a vapor form that causes lung cancer. So yes, many bad drugs or chemicals they do cause cancer.
Atha, because of COVID, many people couldn't go to hospitals. So
Hmm.
now it is predicted that now the number of cancer cases, everything will be on the rise because
Yeah.
early detection is not going. Didn't happen for almost
Yes.
a year now.
Yeah, it's not just for cancer, what we call as a non-communicable diseases. Okay, for communicable diseases, you get fever, you feel unwell, so you go to a doctor. Non-communicable diseases, diabetes, heart problems, BP, cancer, these things, people are not going because त्यांका immediately काही problems जायना. तुका cancer जाता तेन्ना केन्नाच that's why we are losing so many people for cancer. दुयेंस कॅन्सराची ज्या जाग्यार जाता पेशंटाक सिम्पटम्स कांयच जायना. जेन्ना ते कॅन्सर सेल्स स्प्रेड जातात, सो कॅन्सर आसता किडनी भितर, पूण पेशंटाक जाता ब्रेथलेसनेस. पेशंट भितर घरस मारली म्हणून येता, एक्सरे काडल्यार पळोवपाक गेल्यार कॅन्सर इज इन द किडनीज बट नेवर हॅड पेन इन द एब्डोमेन. सो यू आर रायट, पीपल बिकॉज ऑफ कोवीड लोक भिल्या मातशे आनी रेगुलर चॅकअपाक तुमचे सारकें इट्स अ फॅक्ट की कितलेशे स म्हयने पेशंट दोतोरा कडेन वचूंकूच ना भिवन आपल्याक कितें जायत म्हणून.
Hospital पण केली.
It's kind of it's something which has happened all over the world. You could argue in such a way, if they had to go out and get COVID and die, then what would you do? Because you never know, because these are the people with comorbidity. So it's like a tricky thing to say, which we could sooner rather than later. चडशे लोक आसा तांकां कळ्ळां की बाबा with safety precautions they are coming for their regular checkups.
So this is 30 bedded hospital with 2 wards.
Yes, correct. Yeah.
Total beds this is available.
So again, the wards, when I say it depends, we can put in each ward 10 beds, we can put 5 beds. It depends on how aesthetically good you want it to look. And nowadays the beds are with the trolleys, they've got wheels. The garage asa, we can put more beds. So we have kept it spacious so that whenever there's a need, we'll increase the number of beds. It's a 4-story hospital, ground plus 4. So there's enough.
New building.
Yeah, it's a ground plus 4. So there's enough space. But again, as I said, beds will be enough beds, reasonable number, not too many beds, because we are focusing on a super specialty and I'm focusing on service of things specialty which are not there.
पहिला पेशंट कोण असतो?
पहिले पेशंट तुम्ही सगळे जर्नलिस्ट असणार तुम्ही चेक करा मला.
So not patients,
प्रिव्हेंटिव्ह. सो एक हे की दिस इज नॉट because there is an ongoing campaign of municipal election. Don't leave this to the medical camp. This is unlike the other camp that happened. This is not related to politics. So it is not a election if stunt. Number one. Doctor is elaborated that it's going to be an ongoing process. So it is not something that konak mat matolo or marching. This is about taking care of ourselves. We are actually never too old to take care of our hearts. Our hearts need to be in the right place. आणि गोंयांत चड गरजेचें आतां. आनीक कॅन्सर जाता बिकॉज ऑफ टोबॅको. कोळसोय वायट तितलोच. तो सगळो आमी गोंयांत ताका क्युअर सोदूंक जाय लोकली. आनी बरे दोतोर जेणी देशाचे भायर जेंकां एक्सपिरियन्स आहा दे आर गिवींग बॅक. समाजाक ते परते कितें दितात हें म्हाका दिसता हाचें एक तोखवपाची गरज आहा. You have to appreciate this, and this is being done with pure social service in mind, nothing else. So thank you.
Doctor, one question. Why the doctor are not prescribing generic medicine? If a patient purchases generic medicines, doctor says, no, you don't take this. I will just now actually go for that.
Generic. So basically, doctors are prescribing generic, not all. So there are two tails to this, two parts or two sides. And before we end, I'll just take 2 minutes for Mr. Bipin to just talk to 2 minutes before we wind up. So generic medicines, माझ्या clinical, as a doctor, I have a right to dispense. I have generic medicines, which I have chosen of good quality, which I trust, and they are 50% cheaper than this. And I write those medicines, but I give them option. दोन्ही brand बरयता. Yeah, आमच्या क्लिनिकात आसा, but you are not bound to buy this. It's your choice. एक व्हडली ब्रँड आसता, big companies. आनी तांकां ते कसली कंपनी? Generics are like without any big company. Anybody can manufacture. Even though manufacturing is done in a high standard facility, पण ते नाव तितले ते कंपनीचे खबर आसना. So लोक म्हणटा हे कसले वखद? तांकां we give the established brands which are costly, but we always give option. Look, this antibiotic is equally good, it will cost you less.
आख्या एक generic pharmacy start केली.
Uh,
Eventually closed down.
ताका again communication जावपाक जाय. See, problem is what?
डॉक्टर सुद्दां आपल्या दिल्ली नावाची घेत नाही का?
ना, ताका ते कित्याक दोतोर म्हणटा हांवूय म्हणटा कित्याक आय डोंट वॉन्ट समबडी टू मेक एन एरर. आतां जेनरिकाचो प्रॉब्लम सांगता तुमकां. नांवां जी आसता पळय न्ही, एक आतां UK आनी इंग्लंड जावं युरोप जावं US एक वखद आसा ताच्यो 2-3 कंपनीज आसतात. आमच्या देशांत एक वखदाच्यो 500 कंपनीज आसात. आतां एक वखद जें आसा सपोज पेंटोप्रोझोल, ताची कितलीं नांवां आसा, इट इज सो कन्फ्युजींग. समटायम्स ते नांव आनी एंटीबायोटीक नांव सेमशें दिसता. सो दॅट इज वाय वी से हांवें बरयलां तेंच दिवपाक जाय. द मोटो इज टू कायंड ऑफ लायक सेफ्टी, टू एन्श्योर द सेफ्टी. पूण when it comes to generic, yes, we all want our patients to get the best at the least price without compromising quality. Remember, always low price doesn't mean good quality. Okay, it's better to pay good money for a good antibiotic rather than compromise the quality. But as far as I'm concerned, quality of generics is good. So a good communication between the stakeholders. Suppose कोणा pharmacy start करपाक जाय, they have to meet the doctor of the body and kind of like, बरेपणान जावपाक येते. नाल्यार आपूण घालता तूं हें कर. It requires, this is what I'm saying, the medical profession, the doctor-patient relationship is very, 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 very delicate. It is not a business. Even though we charge fees, there are many times patients can't afford or something happens. I can't explain everything, but it's a different profession altogether. And pharmacist, I always consider, when the MRs come to my office, I always say, Baba, we are a team. तुम्ही आसा म्हण आमी आसा. कित्याक वखदां बरी ना जाल्यार आमी कितें करतले? So I always think medical pharmacists as a community, even nurses also. I train my nurses. So we work as a team. So then the generic as a problem solved, you need good communication across the table with proper understanding. I just hand over to.
Thank you. पहिली गजाल म्हणजे विजय सराक हांव रियली थँकफूल आसा. थँक्यू म्हणटा कारण सरान असो एप्रोच केलो फॉर दीस ब्युटिफूल कॅम्प वॉट वी आर प्लॅनिंग टू ऑर्गनायज. आनी डॉक्टर मिलिंदाचें म्हाका ब्रिफींग सांगपाचें दिसता बिकॉज वी आर इन कॉन्टॅक्ट फॉर लास्ट 40 years now. That is our age. So right from first standard I know him. I have seen the hardships what he has gone through. आणि आफ्टर MBBS he did his MD आणि UK 12 वर्सां if I'm not wrong, 12 years.
Yeah.
12 years आशिल्लो आणि he did his MRCP there, 2 MRCP, even he is the examiner for MRCP. मागीर FRCP केली ताणें आणि it is constant upgradation that has been happening from his end. आणि just because I remain with him most of the time, I know how the things are happening and what he is discussing here technically. So प्रत्येक गजाल what he says, I would say it is just not even 5% of what he does actually. So म्हाका तो एक strong connect I would like to express. In fact, I was not planned, it was not planned that we talk like this. So just I'm talking unofficially, you can say. I just wanted to share this basically, and I would request you all to be a part of this camp as well. सगळ्यांकडे बरी हात आसा. Let's try to take good control of it. So Sunday तुम्ही सगळे most invited for this camp. Let's see how best we can do for it. Thank you.
Monday they can all come for echo
Yeah, in fact.
and stress test. Yeah, you all can all, whoever wants, because echo is a non-invasive test. ताका सुई बी तोपना आमी echo and stress test. So even people who are 35, 36, they sometimes do that आपले check करपाक, like how people do blood test. Beश्टें तशें पसून if you all want, you all are more than welcome as a part of this camp. We will do stress test and echo absolutely without charging. We are not doing like camp. I don't want to criticize anybody else, but we are not doing like from this camp we'll get some business or some nothing like that. Whoever is willing, we will do their echo and stress test. And I request all of you all to at least get your ECG done tomorrow. Tomorrow, Sunday, and echo and stress test always welcome in our clinic. आणि थोड्या आठवडे रावले जाल्यार हॉस्पिटलान, not as a patient, as someone fit man who doesn't want to be a patient.
Louis Nagar building.
Mike 1.